Good morning. Jason with International Welding. We're live at Fabtech. I'm going to give a demonstration of our products that we're showing here. First, I want to introduce the Lynx 4 Titan GFX. The GFX is being hooked into the LG44 gun switch box, where we can pick guns 1, 2, 3, and 4, and pick up each gun and weld independently from each other. This machine also has a large LCD display showing the weld voltage, weld count, functions of the machine, and also the high point of the machine is its monitoring system, where it can check each weld against another weld. On this side of the booth, we are demonstrating our IWT autofeed handgun, the IWT CA autofeed handgun. We're welding nails. We are feeding the gun with our UVF2 smart feeder. What's nice about this machine this year is we're introducing it with an HMI interface, and it's actually monitoring the whole feeding system from the nail going into the bowl, down to the track, into the tube, and into the gun. And we're using our normal standard Titan power supply on this. On to our arc machine, we're demonstrating the Lynx Fusion 600. It's a 3-phase arc welding machine. It's transformer rectifier based. The nice thing about this machine is it's simple, where you can actually just scroll through our settings using the scroll button, and then adjust the settings using the up and down arrow keys. It's a really nice machine, 600 amps, and we have a 1000 amp version. Onto our weld heads, we have our Cadillac of weld heads. It's the gravity drop ram feed head. This this weld head's known for its weld quality. We are able to meet a lot of aerospace applications with 0% porosity. This is our autofeed version. This is our bottom load version, and we also have our smaller weld heads. We have our standard CD contact autofeed weld head, our drawn arc weld head, it's auto feed and gas capabilities, our CD gap weld head, and also our bottom load weld head.